Strong legs, vibrant life. Why leg strength matters as we age. As we age, maintaining strong legs becomes increasingly vital for our overall health and independence. Strong legs are our foundation, literally and metaphorically. They provide the power and stability we need to walk, climb stairs, and engage in all the activities we love. Weak leg muscles can increase the risk of falls, which can lead to serious injuries and a decline in mobility. Maintaining strong legs is not just about physical strength, it's about preserving our freedom and quality of life. By prioritizing leg health, we empower ourselves to live our later years with vitality and confidence. Remember, age is just a number, and with strong legs, we can continue to embrace life's adventures to the fullest. Nature's elixir unveiling the tonic for leg strength. This natural tonic combines the power of readily available ingredients to support leg strength and overall well-being. Each element plays a unique role in enhancing circulation, reducing inflammation, and providing essential nutrients. Turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce pain and stiffness in the legs. Ginger. Known for its soothing properties, ginger aids digestion and improves blood flow, delivering vital nutrients to leg muscles. Cinnamon. This aromatic spice helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting muscle function. Black pepper. A pinch of black pepper enhances the bioavailability of turmeric, maximizing its absorption and effectiveness. By harnessing the synergistic power of these natural ingredients, this tonic offers a holistic approach to supporting leg strength and vitality as we age. Crafting your path to stronger legs. A step-by-step guide. Creating this revitalizing tonic is a simple and enjoyable process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you prepare it. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 cup of water. Next, combine and simmer. In a small saucepan, combine all the ingredients and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then steep and strain. Reduce the heat to low and let the tonic simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Once done, strain the tonic into a mug. Finally, enjoy your tonic. Sip on this warm and comforting beverage daily to experience its revitalizing benefits. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the ingredient quantities to suit your taste preferences. Beyond the tonic, holistic tips for enhanced leg strength. While this tonic offers incredible benefits, incorporating these additional tips can further amplify your journey towards stronger legs. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for maintaining optimal muscle function and preventing dehydration, especially during exercise. Nourish your body. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to provide your body with the nutrients it needs to support muscle growth and repair. Gentle movement, powerful results. Engage in regular low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, or yoga to improve circulation, strengthen leg muscles, and enhance flexibility. Remember, consistency is key. By consistently incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can pave the way for stronger legs and a more vibrant, active life.